Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I would like to welcome you to my Luxury Closet 529, a place where I like to discuss handbags, jewelry, and fashion, but mostly handbags because, well, I just love them. Not everything in my closet is luxurious, but a lot of it is luxurious to me, and I would like to share some of those luxuries with you. So today I have a luxury unboxing straight from the hands of UPS, and you will find out who handed it off to UPS here in just a moment. I know I always have to drag it out just a little bit, but I will give you a hint. I already gave you a hint, and it is a piece of jewelry. But I also ordered a Coach bag, and I think it was, 2 days ago, where I said I had handbag burnout and I wasn't feeling it. But in my defense, I did find a Coach bag that I've been coveting on sale, and it was basically $125 off of its price, which brought down the total cost, I think, around 30%. And it's not on sale anywhere, and you can't hardly even find the color that I wanted anywhere. And so I would like for you, if you can, go down into the comments section and guess which Coach bag I ordered. I should be able to show you this weekend. It's looking like it will come on Saturday. When I was in the process of picking this particular item out, it was spurred on by an email I got from Macy's for their friends and family. And I have a friend, a good friend, Joshy Michael, who loves Levian Jewelry. And I love Effie Jewelry. I love Levian too, but I only have a little bit of Levian Jewelry. Like, for example, this necklace I have on, it is Effie, and I'll get up close and show you here in just a minute. I think this may be my only piece of Levian Jewelry before now, and it's the London Blue Topaz with the baguette diamonds all the way around. They like to call their gold strawberry gold or vanilla gold or honey gold, and they like to call their diamonds nude diamonds or chocolate diamonds. They're very into fruity names except for the nude part, and the nude diamonds I think are supposed to be clear ones. So I think if you're looking at quality on a scale of these jewelry brands, I would say Levian is just a small step above Effie, and the prices generally reflect that. But with the Macy's Friends and Family sale, it really seemed like all of a sudden the prices were pretty darn competitive with Effie Jewelry. And I found this 2-carat diamond ring for, wait for it, drum roll please, $13.99. And on top of that, I got cash back from one of the cashback websites. And I got $40 in Macy's Star Money that I used to buy my son a pair of shorts. So that's essentially $40 that I'm taking out of the price I paid for this particular item. So without further ado, I know everybody didn't like a do's, but I like a do's. Let's get into the box. Now, I have opened this and tried it on because I'm just not a patient person. I haven't been feeling well for the last few days. My son had a vomiting illness on Tuesday where he vomited all day. And then he gave it to me and I vomited all night, and you probably didn't need to know all that, but I've been hurting for certain. Anyhow, this is the packaging. It's not super luxurious, but as long as what's inside is luxurious, I'm all good with it. I turned my Macy's receipt inside out, and I did already clip off the Levian tags because I wanted to have the ring on my finger for it was literally like a minute and a half before I decided. I just couldn't wait to do the video. Even though I'm still feeling pretty rough, I'm having a hard time eating and drinking because nothing wants to go down and settle well. So here is the beautiful Levian box. It is luxurious. And inside you will find what I got. This is a 2-carat, I think, just right around 2-carat nude and chocolate diamond ring, and you can see that they have blackened some of the prongs along the chocolate diamonds, which gives it a totally different effect. And I may need to insert some footage of this ring in other lighting because it's like mind-blowing how beautiful it is. I chose this one. This was their 20th anniversary Jubilee ring. Look how much more it sparkles when I put it on my finger. I don't think I'll need to do the other footage like I'm talking about. I love it with my other rose gold pieces of jewelry that I have on my wrist. And I also think it coordinates really nicely with the ring I wear as my wedding ring whenever I wear rose gold. You can see it's mostly white gold, but it does have a band of rose gold and also yellow gold around the center stone. And I just think that the curves and the lines on both rings are so complementary. And I know you're not going to be able to see these on my ears, and I really don't like getting my face that close to the camera. But even though my earrings are, I would say, a lot whiter of diamonds, the Levian ones are called nude, and so I don't think they're like a DE color range. I can't remember what they said they were, or if they said. It doesn't really matter because I was looking for the bling factor, and I definitely got it. But I like how these earrings have similar curves on the sides to what is considered a crown at the top and the bottom of the ring. Finally, I want to get up close and personal and show you my Effie necklace. And while I like it paired together, I cannot wait to show you the necklace I have coming from an eBay seller. It is, once again, Levian, and in a lot of cases, you can find amazing deals on Levian and Effie and other brands, David Yurman on eBay. Sometimes with brands like David Yurman or Tiffany, you can find amazing deals on Fashion File. Cartier is another one you can find amazing deals on, and Yugi's Closet, but to a lesser extent because they just don't have as big of inventory. But when I got to looking, the rings that were available on eBay for women, they just couldn't hold a candle to this. And I will link this ring down below, but I will tell you at Macy's, it has went back up to $5,500. So I got it for $13.99 with cash back and then the $40 Macy's money. And now it's back up to $5,500, which is crazy and makes me so happy that I was able to pick one up. I was really hoping when I did this video that it would still be on sale. I do think Belk has a version of it that is marked down, but just not as much. And I can link that one down below, but I believe it's in the yellow gold color. They come in rose gold, white gold, and yellow gold in this particular style. So that is my luxury unboxing of the day. I still have more to show you, but if you haven't had a chance to go down below and guess which Coach bag I will be showing this weekend, if it arrives, please go do so. So I said I wasn't going to be wearing black because I was switching into a brown purse, but you know what? This purse has a black leather LV on it because I put it there, and it also has this strap with black leather, and I've just been feeling down in the dumps lately, and all I want to do is wear black. I do not know what is wrong with me. Honestly, I kind of feel like it's everything that's been going on in the world politically. I've almost stopped watching YouTube videos about handbags, which have been my passion, and I've just been so into them, so into listening people talk about what they like and what they don't like, that I really haven't focused on other topics up until the debate last summer between Biden and Trump. And when that happened, I just became fascinated with the whole thing. And I'm not going to discuss my political affiliations or anything like that. But it got to a point in the last few weeks that I just wanted the whole thing to be over, and thank the Lord that it is. And I know a lot of people are upset and a lot of people are happy. I just feel exhausted by the whole process, and I am glad it's done. And hopefully this weight that has been weighing on all of us will sort of gradually lift over time, and we can just get back to living as normal and have news about things that are newsworthy and not always about the same darn thing. So that's what I'm trying to do with this little piece of joy that I'm sharing with you today, is bring a little bit of news that is different from what has been consuming me, at least on the YouTube channels. Also, I would like to announce my 7,000 subscriber giveaway winner, and that is Brooks YT Corner. I'm going to go reply to her comment on the video where you could enter to win this beautiful bag. I did go ahead and add one of Melody's pink leather charms because I noticed that it matched perfectly, and I actually have several of these. I'm going to start giving them away from time to time. And I thought, why not have that with this bag? It'll just make the accessorizing that much more fun. So Brooke, if you're listening, I need you to send me a DM on Instagram or send me an email. My contact information is in the description box. I won't contact anybody any other way other than replying to your comment and telling you to contact me with the information in my description box. That way, no fakesters, no scammers can scam anyone. And so now we have a winner, and on to 8,000, hopefully, subscribers very soon. Before I go, one more bit of eye candy. I thought with the caramel brown up here that this ring would just really shine, and it shines no matter where it is. But I thought that this ring and this purse, they're just like they're meant to be together. And I love it when a good plan falls into place. And this plan is definitely working. And I have that one more piece coming my way soon that I can't wait to share with you. It's not like an exact match to the ring. They had a whole collection with the ring, the earrings, the necklace, and the necklace was already gone. And I'm not sure I would have wanted it more than what I found. So stay tuned for that. And I've got the Coach unboxing coming up, and I have some other things up my sleeve as well. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. If you don't follow me on Instagram, the name there's the same is the @ then My Luxury Closet 529, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at myluxurycloset529@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.